So this isn't another motivational video for you. This is a guide to help make this year that year. So I really wanted to film this video because it's long overdue. Yes, it's long overdue, and I'm back. And we are right here to help you make this year one of the best years of your life. Well, if you watch to the end, or if you stay to the end, I have something that I have created just for you, and you can only have that if you stay till the end of this video. At this time of the year, some people are already burnt out. They are like the goals that they set for themselves at the beginning of the year. It seems that is not forthcoming, and they're really tired. They want to, they want to chill out. They want to just make a way and let it go. But just chill, take a chill pill, and let's get on with it. So giving up shouldn't be an option, because there's no giving up right here. There is no giving up. And at the end of this video, we'll be able to figure out systems to use, how to reconnect, create healthy habits that will help you end this year strong. So you have to be honest with yourself. Now let's try a reality check. Okay, grab a pen and a notepad and let's get on with it. So once you've grabbed yourself a notepad and a pen, now pull up the goals that you have for the first quarter. What are the goals that you want to accomplish this first quarter? Now you got to acknowledge what you have accomplished, what needs to be worked on, what areas you need to improve. And with that, you should have something like this: goals that you have accomplished, goals that you didn't set but have accomplished, and then goals that you need to work on. For me, goals that I'll be able to accomplish are: I hit a 1K following on X. That is a platform that I ran away from. I literally ran away from X, but few months, let's say 2 months being on X, I was able to hit 1K on X. I was able to get my product in the hands of people on X and got testimonials on X. And the product I'm talking about, I might disclose it at the end of this video. And then I was able to launch my online store on Facebook. Yes. And this were the first the goals for the first quarter, which we are actually accomplished. Now talking about goals that I need to work on. One of the goals that I need to work on includes being mindful of my expenses. Like, creating a budget felt like a roller coaster and it was kind of difficult. So goals to be worked on are to be mindful of my expenses, yes, and build that literacy of my finances, yes, and as well be active on my YouTube. This channel inclusive aside my vlog channel, yes, and drink more water, which I'm actually doing right now. Drink more water, eat more veggies. So these are some of the goals I need to work on. It comprises of my personal goals, my career goals, and my business goals. Yes. Then the next is goals I didn't set but accomplished. There are some goals I didn't set but I accomplished it. That's a huge thumbs up. And this is something that you should also do. Some goals I didn't set that I accomplished was, building a community and, hosting spaces with that community. This is one of the goals I didn't think about, I didn't set, but it was kind of like a community thing. And so that's it. So for you, this is something that you should do to help you, know what you're working on, what you have accomplished, what needs to be improved, what areas you need to improve, so that as we are embarking on the second quarter, okay, this is something that I have accomplished, and I appreciate myself. I give myself a thumbs up, because I can't, if you accomplish something, sometimes we do not even know what we have accomplished or even give ourselves the credit for accomplishing something. So creating a list of goals in this way will help you know what to work on and areas you need to improve on, and voila, that's it. Now, what goals do you need to improve on? What you have to do is to select your priority goals. Now, these are the important goals that you need to work on in each quarter, okay? You don't have to try to make it complex or gigantic. You get more focus when you have fewer things that you have to work on. So, you get the point. Now, what systems do you need to focus on? Now, this involves maybe using a checklist, a habit tracker, a calendar. Now, if you need a habit tracker to help you in tracking certain habits that you want to, improve on in this year, in this quarter, then you can try checking the description box to download my own habit tracker that I have created for you. You can literally download it and print it out and use it in your own comfort. It's easy to use and it will help you to track your daily habits and help you know, okay, this is something I'm improving on. This is something that I need to work on more often. And to help you know, okay, these are the habits that will help me achieve the kind of goals that I want. Now, for goals to work on, I mentioned to be mindful of my expenses. Now, I can use my habit tracker to, track my expense, what I spend my money on. I can create a monthly budget to help me, mind what I spend my money on, what I need to spend my money on, what I don't need to get at the moment, what I don't need at the moment, and what I need at the moment. So this will help me, okay, no, not to go overboard on my finances. Okay, building my financial literacy is another point I mentioned in the beginning. Now I can literally use my habit tracker to, track my learning spread, like what I'm learning, what I need to read, what I need to watch, those I need to follow, those I need to listen to. You get. Then for posting on my socials, I can use my calendar, I can use my weekly planner to, plan my activities for the week. Now, this is the weekly planner that I use in planning my weekly activities. Now, this is a planner I created, and you can literally use it to plan your daily activities. I've been using it, and it has really been working for me. Now, the interface is very simple and is very clean and easy. I've been using it. And in it, you have the goal for the week, you have your top priorities for the week, you have, arranged it's in a sequence whereby you can arrange your daily activities for the week, for Monday, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday. And with it, you can also plan your content for the week, because I also use it to write down the contents that I have to post on my pages, on my business page, or the content I want to create, my vlog channel. And also, starting with this my channel again, I'll definitely be having the content that I have for the week, or something I need to, prepare for the week. And it also have appointments for those who schedule appointments. Now you can use it to, know the appointments you have with people, so you don't miss any of your appointments. And then you have a section for notes where you can write down, any idea that comes, or anything you want to affirm for the week, for the day, you can write down in your note. It's a printable and it's very simple and easy. I literally made it in this in I put it in this cover so that it doesn't, you know, so it doesn't look, it doesn't change its shape, the shape it came with, or the shape that, or start looking dirty or something. You get what I mean? So it's a printable. So once you download it, you can easily print it out in a way that you want for yourself, so that you can be able to use it in planning your daily activities. You can use it in planning your weekly activities, and this will help you, stay focused. I've been using it. People that have gotten this have also testified that it has helped them to stay focused. It has helped them to avoid having complex tasks for the week, for the day. That with it, you are more focused, because you are going to have fewer things that it will help you to create, your goals in a way that you are going to stay focused on your goals, the fewer goals they have, with your main priorities in it. So in a week, okay, these are the things that I accomplished, these are the things that I need to move to the next week, and voila, your week goes smoothly, your month goes smoothly, and obviously you are getting what you want. So grab your own copy. The link is in the description. So grab your own copy, download, print out, and begin to use. Okay. So you should run away from having floating goals every day, every week without a tracking system. It's not something that you want for your life. So get your hobby tracker. Yes, get a habit tracker, get your weekly planner, and start, living your dream life. So, what theme or what phrase captures what you want this month to, look like for you? Like for me, or mine is this quarter is a season to stay locked into creating wealth, locked into creating healthy habits, learning, implementing, challenging myself, as this will help me, stay more confident. So write it down and be ready to manifest it. It really pays to write down your ideas and your thoughts and, look back years to come, that your goals and your ideas, your thoughts, everything that you have written down is already manifesting. There's so much power in your writing down your ideas, your thoughts. This can actually serve as a detox mechanism for you, because when you feel that you are burnt out, you can go back to or pick up your notepad or or whatever you're using to write down your ideas and thoughts, and it will help you, get to know who you are. It will help you to see yourself in a different light. Aside journaling, having your goals broken down into bits will help you to stay focused and exist that lazy that lazy girl era. You get the point. And this will help you to stay, more organized and more focused. And nothing can literally help you achieve this than my weekly planner, which I have actually shared with you. Like with this weekly planner, you can plan your week in minutes. Yes, you can plan your week in minutes. So don't miss downloading your own copy, because this planner has really helped me and I'm sure it will help you. It has a section for you to write down your goals. It has a section for you to organize your thoughts. It has a section for you to plan your appointments, to write down your priorities, your goals for the week. So check the link in the description to download your own copy today and get started on living the dream life that you've always wanted. So you can check out the review of people who have used this and have actually testified to the solutions it has brought to their table. And however, I'm giving this, offering this as a huge discount to those who download your own copy today, because the link is actually in the description for you to actually download your own copy today and print that at your own convenience. So one question prompt I would love you to answer is, what would I be celebrating by month end, or by quarter end, or by year end? So begin with, I will celebrate this at the end of the month. I'll celebrate this at the quarter end. I'll celebrate this by year end. So that is the question prompt I would love you to answer. We are humans, we are social beings, and we thrive on having great relationships. Now be open to making new friends, be open to, getting into new relationships with people, be open to connecting with people, be open to networking with people. Connect with people whose goals align with yours. Now, if you've lost touch with some great friends, you can plan a hangout with them. You can plan hanging out with your friends once in a while and try to reconnect back to them. Try to vibe, try to share things that you guys have been learning and what you guys plan to learn and what you guys have been working on or improving on. This could be one of the best things that you can do for yourself this year with the connections that you have already built. Now I have a vision board for the year, which comprises of images and words of how you want your year to look like. You can actually create an action board. Yes, it doesn't have to be difficult. There is Pinterest. I use Pinterest, and if you have a vision board, I believe maybe you used Pinterest for that. If you didn't use Pinterest, you can try exploring Pinterest a little. It's not difficult to use. With Pinterest, you can, get images or words of how you want the quarter to look like, or what you want to get done in this quarter. So get this kind of images from Pinterest and create an action board for yourself. Now you can make it the wallpaper of your phone, the wallpaper of your WhatsApp. So you're constantly looking at it, as it will remind you of okay, this is what you need to get done in this quarter, and then you start planning using your weekly planner to plan how you want the months to go, how you want each month in that quarter to be. Voila, you're already living the dream life that you want. Create a time to focus on your priorities, your daily priorities. Most people use the Pomodoro technique of, doing something, doing a task for 25 minutes, taking a break, and then going back again for another 25 minutes. The Pomodoro technique, which I believe that you already know. So the thing there is doing what works for you. Create a time, create your own locking hour. You can focus 1 hour to doing something specific, like it could be reading, it could be, looking out for opportunities, it could be creating content. So do what works for you, and that's just it. Now, decluttering your space should be something that you should be even doing more often. Okay, if it's that clothes that you do not need anymore, remove it. If it's that book that is not serving you anymore, remove it from your space. Okay, clear of old apps, old images, or old photos that maybe are not that reminds you of something that you do not want to remember, maybe something an ugly experience. Clear it off your phone. Okay, find a new hobby or interest or something that you've always wanted to learn. Like myself, I told myself I wanted to learn Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and I started learning it, and I'm becoming confident with myself as regards it. So try learning something new, try to do something different from what you're already used to. Be in the circle of people who genuinely want to be better, who are open to support you, who are open to help you get better, help you grow, who are of value to you, and whom you also be of value to. So support each other and be willing to stay strong and grow together. And yeah, I have a community of like minds. So if you're willing to become your best self this year, if you're in for the vibes, if you're in for the support, yeah, that's a place you really want to be. The link is gonna be in the description to join my community. Don't miss out on joining that community, okay? Having a community that supports and listens is what I wish I had in the beginning of my journey. And here it is for you. The link is going to be in the description, like I said. Do click on it to join the community, okay? I love you, and I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.